Scene opens with Rick Grimes standing in front of a sleek, modern Robotech factory at 2045 VR041 Heavy Armor Veritech Drive, Madripoor. The factory is a sprawling 2,619 SF facility, with rows of VR041 Heavy Armor Veritech motorcycles in various stages of assembly visible in the background. The camera pans to show a live feed of a VR41 transforming from motorcycle to Batloid mode, its armor gleaming under the factory lights. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. I'm Rick Grimes, and today we're live from the headquarters of Ümöt Robotics, one of the most advanced Robotech manufacturers in the world. And let me tell you folks, this place is a gearhead's dream come true. We're talking about the VR041 Heavy Armor Veritech motorcycle, a machine that's part bike, part Batloid, and all awesome. But before we dive into the tour, let's talk about how you can customize your very own VR041 from the comfort of your couch. That's right, Ümöt Robotics has a website where you can design your dream Veritech. Pick your color, armor, engine, cockpit, you name it. It's like Tesla, but for motorcycles that can turn into giant robots. Customizing your VR041 on the Ümöt Robotics website. Rick sits down at a computer terminal, pulling up the Ümöt Robotics website. The screen shows a sleek interface where users can customize their VR41. Alright, let's design our own VR041. First, we pick the color. I'm going with Porsche Light Yellow, Lich Gelb, because nothing says I mean business like a classic early 70s hue, famous on the 1973 Carrera RS 2.7 machine. Next, armor. Do you want lightweight, titanium, or heavy-duty Zentradi alloy? I'm going with Zentradi. Gotta be ready for those rogue Neo Gammas, right? He clicks through the options, adding a custom decal of a black Xylant, a dragon-like creature on it. And there we go, a black Xylant decal, because if you're gonna save the world, you might as well look cool doing it. Now, let's talk engines. Standard Protoculture power cells, or do we go all out with the Kokoro Venture Capital Hyperdrive Edition? Hyperdrive it is. Because why settle for 200 kph when you can go even faster? He finishes the design, and the screen shows a 3D rendering of the customized VR041. And there you have it, folks. Your very own VR041 Heavy Armor Veritech motorcycle. All you gotta do is hit order now, and Ümöt Robotics will build it for you. Shipping and handling not included. Oh, and if you're worried about the price, don't be. They've got financing options, because who doesn't want to pay off a giant robot in monthly installments? Tour of the factory with CEO Ümöt Ada. Rick is joined by Ümöt Ada, the CEO of Ümöt Robotics. Ümöt is a charismatic figure dressed in a sleek, modern suit with a pin of the company's logo, a stylized VR041 on his lapel. Ümöt, thanks for having us here today. This place is incredible. Tell us a little about how you're able to meet the demand for these machines. Thanks, Rick. At Ümöt Robotics, we're all about innovation, customization, and making cutting-edge technology accessible to everyone. Our production process is optimized using takt time, cycle time, and lead time metrics to ensure we meet our customers' demands efficiently. For example, if the Robotech Expeditionary Force needs 1,000 units per month, we calculate our takt time to ensure we're producing at the right pace. That's impressive. And I hear you've got some exciting new features in the works. Care to share? Absolutely. We're working on a new CADS-1, Close Assault and Defense System, upgrade that will make the VR041 even more versatile in combat. Plus, we're expanding our online platform to include virtual reality tours of the factory. Imagine putting on a headset and walking through this facility, designing your VR041 in real time. The future is here, Rick, and it's looking pretty amazing. Rick and Ümöt walk through the factory, showcasing the assembly lines where VR041s are being built. The camera captures the intricate process of constructing these advanced machines, from the installation of Protoculture power cells to the testing of Batloid armor. Alright, let's take a look inside this place. First up, we've got the chassis assembly line. These bad boys are built to last, with lightweight yet durable frames that can handle anything from city streets to battlefield terrain. Cut to footage of a VR41 transforming from motorcycle to Batloid mode in under 5 seconds, its movements smooth and precise. Next up, we've got the transformation bay. These VR041s can go from motorcycle to Batloid mode in under 5 seconds. It's like watching a Jedi Knight flip their lightsaber, fast, precise, and downright badass. Key takeaways: customization. Design your own VR041 Heavy Armor Veritech motorcycle online from color to armor to engines. One-click shopping. No salespeople, no hassle. Just click Add to Cart and your custom VR041 is on its way. Innovation. Ümöt Robotics is pushing the boundaries of Robotech with support from Kokoro Ventures. Efficiency. The factory uses takt time, cycle time, and lead time metrics to optimize production and meet customer demands. Folks, this has been an incredible experience. From designing our own VR041 to touring this state-of-the-art factory, it's clear that Ümöt Robotics is at the forefront of Robotech innovation. If you're as fascinated by this as I am, Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content like this. Until next time, this is Rick Grimes, signing off from the future. Stay safe out there. The video ends with a sweeping shot of the factory, the VR041 standing tall, and the city of Madripoor in the distance, bathed in the glow of a setting sun. The video focuses on understanding takt time, cycle time, and lead time, key metrics for optimizing production processes. These concepts can also be applied to the manufacturing and deployment of advanced technology like the VR41 heavy armor Veritech motorcycle. 1. Takt time. Definition: the theoretical demand rate of your customer. Application to VR41. Example: if the Robotech Expeditionary Force (REF) requires 1,000 VR041 units per month, and the available production time is 540,000 seconds month, the takt time would be 540 seconds per unit. Purpose: ensures production meets the REF's demand for Veritech motorcycles. Consideration: production must account for potential downtime, such as maintenance or supply chain delays. 2. Cycle time. Definition: the actual rate at which your operation produces a unit. Application to VR041. Measurement: time between the completion of one VR041 unit to the next. Importance: indicates the stability of the manufacturing process. Helps identify bottlenecks, such as delays in assembling the CADS-1 close assault and defense system or installing protoculture power cells. Example: if the cycle time is 500 seconds unit, the process is efficient and meets the takt time of 540 seconds. 3. Lead time. The total time it takes for one unit to move through the entire operation. Application to VR041. Measurement: from the start of assembly, e.g. chassis construction, to final testing and deployment. Uses: for made-to-order units, tells the ref how long they must wait for new VR41s. For inventory management, highlights delays in the supply chain, such as shortages of forearm weapons shields or missile launchers. Example: if the lead time is 10 days, but the ref requires units in 7 days, the process needs optimization. Hash scenario: VR041 production. Process steps: chassis assembly. Build the motorcycle frame. Armor installation: add Batloid armor and weapon systems. Power system integration: install protoculture power cells and backup gasoline systems. Testing: ensure functionality in both motorcycle and Batloid modes. Customer demand: 1,000 units month. Takt time calculation: available time 540,000 seconds month. Takt time equals 540,000, where 1,000 equals 540 seconds per unit. Cycle time measurement: overall process 500 seconds per unit meets takt time. Individual steps: chassis assembly 200 seconds, armor installation 150 seconds, power system integration 100 seconds, testing 50 seconds. Improvement options: combine chassis assembly and armor installation steps, add a second testing station to reduce bottlenecks. Scenario 2: increase demand. New customer order: additional 500 units month for Special Forces operations. New takt time calculation: total units 1,500. Takt time equals 540,000 by 1,500 equals 360 seconds per unit. Solution: run 2 production lines, each producing a unit every 500 seconds. Effective cycle time 250 seconds a unit meets takt time. Lead time measurement: followed a VR041 unit through the process. Lead time 7 days meets ref SLA of 10 days. Key takeaways: theoretical production rate to meet ref cycle time. Actual production rate indicates process stability. Lead time: total time for a unit to move through the process, critical for ref deployment schedules. Improvement strategies: balance workloads, reduce bottlenecks, and optimize process steps. Call to action: measure your own processes using takt time, cycle time, and lead time to identify areas for improvement. Apply these metrics to advanced manufacturing, such as the production of VR041 heavy armor Veritech motorcycles, to ensure efficiency and meet customer demands.